All right, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to catch. All right, welcome back to another video. Today we've got the unboxing for Supreme Week 1 Fall Winter 25. As you saw behind me, the intro, whatever it is I'm gonna make, I don't know yet. All of my orders from when I copped on the live cop were successful. No cancellations, no nothing. I did spend quite a bit. It was a little bit too much, but we'll figure it all out. You know, it was a little bit over $2,000, but yeah, let's get onto it. Let's show you guys what I've got. Might even wear some stuff, might try some bits on. Got a few personals, well actually one, but yeah, we'll try some cool stuff. All right, here we are. Let's get on with the boxing, and yeah, let's start off with the big boxes. Most of those will have like hats in it, which is the reason why they've come in boxes, because of the hat. Big thank you to Supreme. Also, will we get any cool stickers from week 1 or any freebies? Let's find out what $2,000 gets you from Supreme. So yeah, I wonder if we'll get any freebies, because I really like that laundry bag. That's actually pretty cool. Also, the money sticker is pretty cool as well. So I'm hoping we'll get one of those. But in this box, we should have at least 2 hats. I'm trying to figure out what I bought. I know it's not been that long, but you know, sometimes I figured. But I'm just joking with you guys. I know what I got. Cop actually. I don't know why it was a manual cop, but anyway. I got one of the hats. We got the ATV 6 panel. Now I believe this did sell out relatively quick. The Japanese one, I think. Kind of dig it, I'm not gonna lie. I like the design style. It's a print. I thought it was like embroidery on the top actually. To be fair, I feel like it would have been a bit difficult to embroider, you know, the ATV. But the patch on top is embroidered, so it's not too bad. Should we take a look? Kind of want to see it in better lighting and pictures anyway, so I'll try my best to, like, you know, not destroy the bag. I know some people have a fit about it. I don't know why. You guys have a fit when the bag's destroyed? I won't put it on my head though. To be fair, I got 2 of them, so maybe I will. I don't know. Anyway, we'll be able to see it in better quality, better details. Let's pull this out actually. Yeah. You got the Japanese flag on the back. I like it. Tokyo. And I think it says Supreme Team on the side, if I'm not mistaken. There it is. Dude, this is a sick hat. Camo is definitely especially really cool. I know camo definitely is going to be the thing of this year, and everything's pretty much camo. We got even more patches on the side. We got some 94 there. Dude, this is a sick hat. I'm not going to lie. Heavily slept on hat. I got an offer on Depop, so we'll see if we can counter it, see if we can get more. Once I add in my pictures on eBay, you know, more people will be interested when they see in-hand pictures. Like I said, I got 2 of these, so yeah, 2 are for sale. Also, we got another hat. We got the Susan breast cancer hat. You probably can't see it. It's a bit blurry, but real tree. I believe this is called HTC True Camo, I'm not sure. But yeah, we got the New Era box logo hat. If it will load, you've got the really cool Susan G. Is it Susan G? I'm not sure, but that's her ribbon, the breast cancer woman. The ribbon. Really, really cool collaboration that they did, honestly. I think it's really cool. Yeah, this one is a 7 3/4. So yeah, it says right there. And it also says on the brim of the hat. So yeah, really, really nice hats. Really, really dig it. I don't think these types of hats are for me, so definitely will be for sale if anyone is interested in camo. Also, let me know, guys, in the comments if there's anything that you want. I can definitely go help you out. Like I said, I run stuff, bought stuff, etc. I know I sound like the evil person, but you know, it's best to be friends with those types of people. You know, if you want to get stuff that are really difficult. You know, those SB dunks they're dropping. I know a lot of you have been asking for those purple dunks, so just all the freebies. Anyway, this is the messenger bag. Now, this is actually a personal, and I'm looking at it right now, and I'm like, yes! It's quite a big bag. Now, I wanted a big bag. I don't care, I'm just gonna rip it up, because it's a personal of mine. Now, I wanted a bag that wasn't too big or too small. This looks like the happy medium. For me personally, so let's check it out. Hopefully, guys, you can see it a little bit better, but we got the messenger bag, I'll come back a bit actually, because it might be easier to distinguish the size, should we say. If you can hear me, come with me a little bit closer. But do you see these clips? They look like they've been used. I don't know if that's part of the thing. They looked a bit scratched and stuff, but I really don't care. Like I said, we've got the bag. Really cool. I will do some B-roll. I don't know if I'm doing B-roll on this bag, but I'll be doing B-roll in the future. Other items. Ooh, nice little interior pocket and stuff. You got a nice little zip. This is where I'll put my phone and stuff. So I'm already planning it out for like when I go on like trips to like London, etc. Nice little bag. I dig this actually. I think this is well worth the money. Really nice. We got the strap here. We need to unlock it. Like I said, we got a lot of stuff, but a lot of stuff's repeats of stuff, so we won't have to open it up. Yeah, and look at that. It's a nice little bag. Let's go back a bit. Like I said, guys, this is my little fanny pack. Woo! I like the size. I think that's good. I can just put like my charger stuff in, you know, the little essentials for when I'm on the train. This is a really cool bag. So yeah, that's the Realtree one. Pretty damn cool. We got freebies, boys. Look at the freebies. We got the laundry bag. Ooh, hang on a minute. What's this? Yes, we got a poster. I've seen this. I thought it was in store, but apparently you can get it. This is like the lookbook in a poster, and then you got one really cool picture of the guy wearing the Vanson. It's really hard to see because it's like a really dark shadow, but really cool. But we got some stickers. Whee! I'll show the bag later on, but you know, really cool. Stickers at the time, boys. You see the stickmen? Of course you do. And we don't have the $sign, which is annoying. Moving on to the next one. So one of these could be the really bloody expensive item, which I kind of want to leave to last if it is. This one, in my opinion, should have the baggy jeans, the camo ones. So hat, another Susan G hat in the camo. This one is the size 8. So yeah, biggest size you can get. I also got another ATV camo hat. Nice. And these are the baggy jeans. But you can see here, baggy jeans. These are size 34 waist. If anyone is interested in these, you know, let me know. More freebies. I got another laundry kit. It seems like if you bought one single item, your chances of getting any freebies were probably zero. I need another one. And guess what? We got another poster. Another sticker set. No $sign though. No $50 or dollar Supreme sticker. We got the I Love Supreme. Okay. But I want that $1 one. The bag items. Probably wondering what these are. These should be the Cardi, the Stick Tee, and the Bones jersey, because I did that in like a triple card. So much. What did we get? We'll start off with this item. Is the Stick Tee. I think it's funny. I like it. We got extra large in a white. Very nice indeed. There it is, with the label, of course. We got the photo tee, the Cardi, boys, you know. This is size extra large in a black. I believe they're all the same size. So another laundry bag. Oops. I will take that. And yet again, another poster. I can sell these posters on eBay probably. I don't know how much they're going for. And we also got the Bones jersey. Very similar to the spiderweb one because it's literally just got bones instead of spiderwebs. But yeah, here it is. You'll figure it out if I do in the editing part, you know, if I actually do. I don't know. They're all size large. Oh, okay, it's like interesting way of packing them this time. They're very nice jerseys. Very nice jersey. I like it. You know, size large if anyone's interested. I don't know if we need to go through. I'll go through quick, but I need to know about that $sign, boys. $sign, boys. We got another one. These are good at free gifts, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not sure. Another poster. This one's a bit bent. Ambulance. That's a big one, that one. We got another one of those freebies. Another extra large Cardi. And oh my god, is it a gold one? No. big T and a little extra large, if anyone's interested. And no, nothing else in there. Another Bones jersey. It's like stuck on here. And you see the water on here? Ooh. Weird. A bit concerning. However, is the Cardi tee alright? It looks alright. He's alright. Thank the Lord. And then they're all the same size, yeah. This one's actually got water in it. What the fuck? Wow, it's on the outside, so I don't know how it got water in it. Anyway, it'll dry itself out. Fingers crossed. Will we get the goddamn sticker? I paid £720. I thought it was a different item then. I was like, what the fuck? 728 quid for this item. Was it worth it? Here it is. Wow. The Gore-Tex jacket, it should have been in the water in this one because it would have dried up. Ooh, we got a freebie. Let's check. We got some laundrettes. Any stickers though? Where is the goddamn money one? They are being so skimpy with the stickers, man. I'm telling you. Watch one random t-shirt guy will get all the good ones. We got another freebie. We got the Vanson. Guys, I'm not gonna tease you on this one. I'm gonna try it on. Because I have no idea if it's just gonna be a return. Because I know they're sold out now, and I know they might be doing something on the market, but it's a really cool piece. It's a really cool piece. Let's show you guys. Hopefully you guys can see it. We've got the Vanson and try on. This is a size extra large, so I have no idea if this is going to fit me. It might be way too big. It might actually fit. Who knows? I kind of want to make it a little bit big on. I don't know. I never thought of buying a jacket for 700 quid. So let's be a bit careful on this. I'm going to be a bit careful on this, I guess. For a size extra large, it doesn't seem that wide. Let me just double check the size. It was a size extra large. Interesting. All right, let's give it a try. Is there paper on the back, please? Ooh. This is crazy, man. This is crazy. Really lightweight, honestly. I mean, it should be for a bloody Gore-Tex jacket. Vanson logo. Gore-Tex. Oh yeah, this is... Obviously you can Velcro them, so... Do I want to do that? Okay. It's my jacket now. Oh yeah, you got the lovely leather Supreme. This is actually really good quality. Not sure if you guys can hear me, but really, really good quality. Hopefully you guys can see it. Lightweight, really, really nice. Cool racing jacket. Is it worth 720 quid? Maybe even more in the resale market? Well, it depends on who's buying, really. Please buy it. Please buy it. Yeah, we've got a black one. Should we zip it up? Gotta show off the skulls. Feels so like crackly. It's because it's the Gore-Tex. Yeah, fucking sick, man. Sick jacket. Guys, I need to do like a thumbnail for you guys. All right, how should we do it? The Gore-Tex jacket, so it's gotta be in the line, you know. It's out, man. Gotta show Cardi, man. That's it for the unboxing. Let me know in the comments, what do you like, what do you don't like? Is there anything that you're interested in? Do you like the Gore-Tex jacket? Would you actually pay for this? I don't know, let me know in the comments. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed and what you saw. Hopefully it was good enough for you guys, and if you want to see more of it, leave a like, subscribe, do all that cool stuff, as it really does, you know, help out my voice is going. And I had to figure out a thumbnail design for this, be kind of interesting what you see. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Peace.